Samsung Display's latest foldable concept can both slide and fold. Why's it got to be just a concept? I'm all for the folding, the sliding, the rolling. I'm for all these things.
But
so this
people
must
also break things. It's got to be a concept for now.
that's fine. That's part of the gig.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to be on the fringe, you got to be willing to break.
All right.
You understand that, Will?
Yeah.
The bleeding edge. Samsung Display's Flex Hybrid is a new prototype device with a display that's both foldable and slidable. The left side of the concept smart mobile device can be unfolded to reveal the display, while the right side can then slide outwards for even more screen real estate being shown off. Guess where? At CES 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yeah.
Alongside a new 17-inch slidable. Whoa. It's cool. You know what, man? Show it off. I went to CES for years and years, and you search for things like this that are just different, where they're showcasing some type of imagination. Like maybe we can roll, maybe we can spin, maybe we can flip, maybe we can fold. Prototype builds upon concept devices that Samsung has been showing off for years, and like whether or not these things come into production,
it's just cool to see.
It might not be exactly the way you're looking at it, but then there's a trickle down situation where you might see certain elements developed here that land in eventual products. The Flex Slidable Solo can expand in one direction, while the Flex Slidable Duet can expand in two ways, going from 13 inches to 17.3.
That's cool. That's science fiction.
You know what? If I was in Vegas right now, I'd be going over there.
Yeah.
To take a look at what's going on, because I'm sliding, I'm folding, I'm rolling, I'm flipping.
Don't break it.
I'm not breaking.
Okay.